Intro. Islam is a religion of peace, purpose, and guidance. The word Islam comes from the Arabic root salam, which means peace. But Islam also means submitting your will to the one true God, Allah. Islam is not just about worship. It is a complete way of life that brings peace to your heart, your family, and your society. Beliefs. Muslims believe in one God, Allah, who has no partners, no children, and nothing is like him. They believe in all prophets sent by God, including Noah, Abraham, Moses, Jesus, and finally, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon them all. Muslims also believe in the Day of Judgment, when every person will be held accountable for their actions, and rewarded or punished by Allah with justice. The Holy Book. The Quran is the Holy Book of Islam. It is the final and unchanged Word of God, revealed in Arabic to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam over 1,400 years ago. It contains guidance for all aspects of life, spiritual, moral, family, and social. 5 pillars of Islam. Islam is built on 5 pillars. 1. Shahada, the declaration that there is no God but Allah, and Muhammad is his messenger. 2. Salah, performing 5 daily prayers to connect with Allah. 3. Zakat, giving a part of your wealth to those in need. 4. Sawm, fasting during the month of Ramadan. 5. Hajj, making the pilgrimage to Makkah once in a lifetime, if able. The message of Islam. Islam teaches peace, kindness, justice, honesty, and respect for others, no matter their race, language, or background. It commands us to care for the poor, forgive others, and live with purpose and balance. Ending. Invitation. With over 1.9 billion followers around the world, Islam is the fastest growing religion today. If you are searching for truth, peace, and direction in life, then Islam welcomes you. Follow our channel, True Islam, and begin your journey to understanding the truth.